Welcome to Digital Academy, and in this video you are going to learn how to use premium chat GPT, which is GPT-4, for 100% free without paying. So if you're passionate about leveraging your digital skills to make money online, master design arts, and supercharge your tech know-how, you have come to the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting tech adventures. Join our tech savvy community and let's embark on this incredible journey together. So without further ado, let's jump right into the fascinating world of tech wonders. Ready? Let's get started. So this is the app that we are going to be using. I'm going to mention the name of the app by the end of the video, so make sure you watch this video to the end so you can get the name of this app. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on this copilot right here. You can see, click on it. So after clicking on the copilot, it's going to pop this up, and you can see that this is where you can prompt your chatbots. You can see your AI chatbot. You can ask it anything, but before you start asking it anything, if you want to activate the feature of the GPT-4, which is a premium chat GPT version, so you are going to click on use GPT-4. You can see it right here. So that is it. You're going to click on it to activate it. Wonderful. So automatically anything you do right here is going to be GPT-4, which is the premium chat GPT that is going to be answering you. So you can see how wonderful that is, and this is 100% free and it doesn't have limits, right? So let me say, for example, you want to ask it a question. Let me say create a sales copy for my phone gadgets gadgets brand. You understand? So automatically what you're going to do is to click on the send button, right? So you're going to see how wonderful and natural the answers are going to be. So this is actually ChatGPT 4 answering right now. You can see Copilot. So everything you can see that is going on here is the work of ChatGPT 4. So this app actually integrates, they actually integrate their API, ChatGPT 4 API to their platform. So they are the one paying for the premium, and people that use their platform can be able to use it for free, right? People that use their platform can be able to use it for free. So you can see it has created what we actually want, which is the sales copy for the phone gadget brand. So you can see how wonderful this is. It can also give you suggestions, right? And if you want it to read it out for you, you can see it can do this, it can do that as well. So you just need to click on the pause and the play right here. If you want to copy, it, click on this copy icon right here. If you are satisfied with what it actually give you, you can click on this like, right? So if you are not satisfied, you can click on this unlike, and it can generate something else for you. Also, if you want to share it, if you want to share this answer or this content to someone, you can click on this share button right here, right? You can see it's going to give you options on how to share it on different platforms, on Chrome, on WhatsApp, on Gmail, on Drive, on Zoom, on your messages, Zenda, and so on. Whatever you can use ChatGPT 4 for, you understand, you can use this as well. You can use this tool as well for it. That is the reply you are going to get on ChatGPT 4 when you ask it a question is still the reply that you're going to be getting on this. So another feature that these people add is this, whereby they give you suggestion, they will give you ideas on what to ask, the questions to ask that is similar to the question that you asked about. Can you see this one? He said, can you add more details about specific gadgets? That is, you need to ask another question for this chat to give you more details, and so on and so forth. So if you want to create a new topic, right, what you do is this: you click create plus. You understand? So it's going to start a new topic for you, right? So if you want to use voice notes to record, that is to input your content or your text, you understand? So you can say it. So you use that. So I won't be able to use it because I'm on recording right now. So Let me go back. Cool. So if you want to use image as well, if you want to use image, another feature is that it has image feature, right? So you connect your image, so you can snap whatever image you want. All right, you can snap whatever image you want, and or you go here to search, or you can also solve maths with these two, right? You can solve maths with these two. It has a lot of features. You can also upload your image manually from your folder, so which is what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to be uploading one image from my folder. Let me upload this one. So if you upload your image, you can now ask it to what? To you can ask it anything, to it can do anything with the image, right? You can do anything with the image. So let me just say, for example, now this image I'm putting on, like, okay, this is my YouTube thumbnail. Kindly generate the text on the thumbnail, right? So let us see what it's going to bring, if it's going to be able to answer this question. So it said analyzing the image. You can see this is a feature of ChatGPT 4, which is on GPT-4. So it said faces may be blurred to protect privacy and so on and so forth. So it is already doing some kind of work underneath. So you can see it is responding. So don't click on the stop responding, you understand, till you finish what you're doing, or till the chat is generated completely. So let us wait for it to work out. So yeah, it has generated completely. So you can see that the image is actually one of my YouTube thumbnail that says convert CSV to TXT format free. You understand? So now after the tool actually analyze the image, so look at the response. It says, hello, this is Copilot. I can help you generate some text from your YouTube thumbnail. It now said, based on the image you uploaded, I can see that you want to make a video about converting CSV files to TXT file for free. This is crazy. So it is able to pull out the content that is actually able to capture from an image. So this tool is actually crazy. It is crazy. You can see it say, here are some possible text ideas for your thumbnail. How to convert CSV to TXT in seconds for free. CSV to TXT, the easiest and fast way, no software needed. So it even gave me ideas, video ideas on how the content ideas, the title ideas on what I can use to also or upload the YouTube video and so on, and also rank on YouTube. So this tool is actually very crazy. It's actually very crazy. So it can analyze anything. It can analyze anything. It can solve maths. So you can write maths equation on a paper, you understand, and snap it, and it's going to capture what it sees on it and give you an answer. So it's actually a wonderful tool, and that is all I'm going to be saying about this tool. And I'm going to be creating a new video that explains how this tool can actually solve maths, how you can use the image feature of this tool very, very well. So now, I'm happy you are able to watch this video till the end. And here I'm going to mention which tool in particular this is. So if you want to download this tool, here I am on Google Play Store. What you just do is you go to search and you search for Bing. You search for Bing. So this is it, Bing chats with AI and GPT-4. So this is the tool. The tool is so crazy. So you just need to install it directly, and this tool also work on iOS. So you just go to Apple Store to download Bing chats with AI and GPT-4. So thank you. And once you download, you just open it and follow the steps that I explained in this video. All right, thank you. Bye.